how to bench test Porsche Cayenne or Volkswagen Touareg air suspension. So you take the valve out, this one, you take it out of here, and you install this M10x1 to Schrader valve part, which is this guy right here from McMaster-Carr. Put it in there. Oops. Okay. So you put it in there, tighten it. Doesn't have to be too crazy. There's a seal in there. That's the benefit of this specific part. You have your makeshift compressor. Attach it. I do it roughly 50 psi. And then let's set the camera. And right now it's at 15 psi. You can actually hear it leaking. And I had some water in there, and you can actually see specifically here that there's a hole. So now you know your airbag is damaged, and you can go replace the airbag.